Hey everybody, this is Rapid Fills here, and this is my first video of 2021. I just want to encourage you that I want to remind you and encourage you to follow us on, subscribe to the channel, follow us on Twitter, on Facebook, and on Instagram. And obviously, we have a community that we run on Discord, so you're welcome to join. We're day traders, me and stock operator. We're helping traders every day, and we trade live with the screen share, and we post our ideas, our trade, and we trade live. So you're welcome to join if you want to be part of the community and grow with us as we go. Today was a choppy day, at least for the markets, and I started the day going red. And the reason why I'm doing this video is because I recently took a 1 month off from trading. That's because I broke my leg. I had the surgery, and I was on painkillers, and I was in bed, couldn't even sit down. And I came back a couple weeks ago to trade. And today definitely was one of those days where you really had to manage risk, and you really had to be calm and collected and wait for the setup. If it didn't work your way, you just bail out, and if it worked your way, try to maximize your profit as much as you can. Even though today was kind of a weird day because it's a Friday, the market was gapping down so much, it brought down a lot of tickers, and it wasn't really a clean movement until the market started moving in one direction. So let's go through these trades that I took today. So one of them is Mara. So Mara, I took a long on Mara at the break here, and it was a 5-minute setup, and it was the 1950. I took it long. I saw that's not gonna go anywhere, and I stopped out. Stopped out on the trade just to see it wash all the way, which is great. My stop loss is supposed to be here, but then the market gave me more information. It rejected the breakout. That means it's gonna wash even more. So I stopped out on the trade, and I saved myself some money. Took it again when I saw this break of the 1930s. I thought this thing might continue. Again, it broke up and it came down. I just bailed on the trade. Again, I did not read Mara well. It was trading so much volume, and it wasn't trading something that I want to see. It just breaks out and it takes off. The third trade on it, it's a long, took it long, and I just bailed out for like a quick win. Because every time here, I just get a little bit of profit and it dumps down. Take a little bit of profit and then it comes right back down. So here I decided to take the profit just in case it's a fake breakout, and this thing just continues to the higher day, which is the target. I didn't capture anything, and I was red on the name too. But because I managed risk, I was able to minimize my losses. Now the next trade was INTC. INTC was the idea of a long for me. In the pre-market, when I was making my watch list, I said it live in chat. I wanted this to wash for me to grab it long. I actually did grab it long, and it just stopped. Like I took profits right away. It was nothing essentially. Why? Because it looked heavy. It looked super heavy, and it was trading so much volume again. I did not read the level too well. Here I took it long and I stopped out again. Took it short, took it break even, took it short again, stopped out. It broke the trend line. As you can see, I have a trend line here. I took it short and I stopped out. So this is one of the trades where I'm supposed to give it bigger room to move. I'm supposed to give it room to pan out. But because it had so much volume and it's an earning play, and it just was coming down, breaking down, and getting bought back up. Breaks down and gets bought back up. As you can see here, it broke and then it got bought back up. Broke, bought back up. Broke, bought back up. So it wasn't really clean trade. When I took this trade, I said, okay, I'm just going to leave it alone. I can't really read the stock. And I just left it alone, because if I took this break, probably got stopped out again. So glad I left it alone. Which is a way to manage risk. And then the other one was which one was that? Was ACP, another loser. So another loser. I end up having a trend line. It breaks the trend line. I said in chat, I'm gonna take a short, and if this thing rips back up and reclaims the trend line, most likely this thing is gonna go back up. Why? Because a lot of people are shorting down here, and what they end up doing is have to cover their position because the stock's not going their way, and end up creating this move up. So that's exactly what I did. I stopped out, saved myself some money. Again, everything is all the losers are controlled as much as I can. And then I hit FUV. FUV, it was given this trend up, and then now it put in a lower high. I have my stop right here. I got short the stock, and I was short from 22.70s, roughly 60s, and I grabbed what is that, 80 cents or so on the name, even though it washed more, but that's the essentially the winner that I had, which is 80 cents on a full position. So that was pretty good winner, and that brought me to this brought me to green, because I had another winner, which is EH. As you can see, it's almost the same setup here. It kind of is trending up. You can see this 3-minute candle is massive. This thing went from almost 70s to 78, so that's $8 move, and it kind of flagged, and it broke the flag to the downside, broke the VWAP. So I got it short, and I grabbed $2 from 74 to 72s right here. So $2 winner and 80 cents winner on full position brought me to green, and this is what it looks like. So this is my performance by hour. You can see the beginning of the day I was red. I stayed calm, stayed collected. I made sure that I managed my risk, and I ended up making my profits, making the loss back and some. This is another screenshot here of today's trades. Today I took 7 trades. Number of winning trades 3. Number of losing trades are 4. So actually I had less than 50% winning streak, and my profit factor is 2.28. So that means for every loser, so if I lose, let's say $100 on my loser, I make $228 on my winner, essentially. So this is just an example to show you that how to manage risk, and you really have to manage risk and be on top of it, and have faith in your strategy and have faith in your trading, that you'll be able to make it. If you just get emotional, you start jumping into trades because somebody else actually got into the trade, and not really knowing what's going on, you might end up eating a loss and bigger than you're supposed to, and then it takes you probably 2-3 days to just make it back. So this is my 2 cents for today. I hope you guys liked the video. Again, please subscribe, likes, and follow us, and join us on Discord. It's a free community, and I'll see you at the next one, guys. Take care.